Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install automatic staircase lighting, step by step. We'll cover how to run the pipes, wire it up properly, and do all the necessary fittings. This is a great project if you're into home automation or just want a smarter way to light up your stairs, so let's get straight into it. Part 1. Planning and Materials. Tools and Materials. First things first, what do you need? For this project, you'll need PVC pipes or flexible conduit, electrical wire, 1.5 millimeters or 2.5 millimeters depending on load, motion sensors or IR sensors, LED strip lights or step lights, a small control box or relay module, junction boxes, clips, glue, or saddles for fixing the pipes. Take a moment to sketch out your staircase layout and decide where each light and sensor will go. It saves a ton of headache later. Part 2. Piping the stairs. Let's start with piping. You want your pipes to follow the cleanest path possible from your control unit to each stair or sensor location. If you're doing this on an open staircase wall, surface conduit is fine. For hidden installations, go under the stair tread or behind a skirting board. Use saddles or clips to secure your pipe every 1 to 1.5 meters. Make sure your bends are smooth, no sharp angles. That'll make pulling the wire a lot easier later on. Wiring the system. Now for the wiring. You'll run live and neutral wires from your power source to the control box. From there, you connect to the motion sensors at the top and bottom of the stairs. Then, from the output of the control unit, run wires to each light, either step by step or as a single LED strip if you're using one. Keep your connections inside junction boxes and label everything. It makes life easier if you ever need to troubleshoot. Part 4. Fitting and Testing. Once the wiring's done, go ahead and mount your lights. If you're using step lights, secure them neatly into each riser or wall. For LED strips, stick them under the nose of each step for a clean, modern look. Next, install your sensors. Typically, one at the top and one at the bottom of the staircase. These will detect motion and send a signal to the control unit to switch on the lights. Now, flip the breaker back on and test it. Walk up the stairs. Boom, lights on. Walk away, lights off after a few seconds. If it doesn't work, double-check your sensor polarity and make sure your control unit is getting power. And that's it. Your automatic staircase lights are up and running. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more practical electrical and DIY videos. Got questions or want a part 2 video with a timer or dimmer setup? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.